Crypto billionaire coming back at you guys with another daily in-depth technical analysis video. And in this video we will be going over what the markets are looking like and what Dogelon Mars is currently looking like and what we need to look out for in the future. But before we get started, I want to thank all of you guys that have joined the Patreon. We are a growing community of very like-minded individuals that are making bank right now. Matt, Intune, Shakia, Natasha, John, Zachary, Jose, Josh, Greg, David, Cookies, Brandon, Rama, Micah, JTA, Hujik, Josh, Cody, Lusalito, Gruntacular, Ben, Jason, Alexandre, Serex, Justin, Gibran, Daniel, Brett, Nathan, Rome, Bob, Johnny, Jonathan, Sam, and Jator. You guys are legendary. We are all in around the 10 levels right now, so we are currently up as we are in extreme fear, which is a beautiful thing to see. We are making higher lows, and that is that we will be getting into that later on in the video. If you guys are interested in checking out the Patreon, there are a few spots left. I just opened a couple of new spots up for the New Year's. I have 3 spots open right now that gives you guys access to calling me at any time in the day if you have any questions. So, go check that out if you're interested. And let's get straight into the in-depth technical analysis. What is going on here? Alright. Hey Google. Volume 5. Gotta love Google. Let's get straight into it. Alright. Dogelon Mars. Here we are. Gonna refresh. We are down 1.5% in the overall, 1.7% in the overall day. Currently holding around the 50% retracement of this big move, which is a beautiful thing, my friends. It is a beautiful thing. Before we get into the price action of this, we will actually be getting into lower time frames because we have been trading off the daily candles lately, but we will switch time frames and get a little bit more in depth in the upcoming minutes. But before we do that, I want to head over to Bitcoin and show you guys what we are looking at over there. We are down 2% thereabouts, seeing major selling pressure to the downside right now. Right now, as we head towards these $40,000 levels, would be an amazing time to consider adding to your bags. Now, we have drew in the last few videos this rectangle here. This is the rectangle that we are considering support right now. It is showing strong support over on this left side. Right here, we have seen volume step in, and this is previous support. This is previous price action where it has come up and came down, peaking on the top of this, and we have seen another spike down to the downside here, creating a massive wick, moving back up. However, we have been making lower highs here. And if we do not find support around this $40,000 level in the coming days, we will be heading down to this previous support level at this $36,000 level. That is where we will be heading down. It will take a lot of sellers to break through this $40,000 level. However, if we do this, if we break through this $40,000 levels, this is the mentality that they don't want you to know. So pay attention, pay close attention. If you have a notebook, write this down. The big money is pushing this down to scare all of the investors that got in at the tops out of this before we make our next move higher. Now, when in doubt, zoom out. It's a wonderful saying, and we are doing that right now. We are still in an uptrend, a major uptrend at that. And this is somewhat an estimate of what we need to watch for. However, this can change very quickly because we have not confirmed that this trend line is in play. This Fibonacci level did retrace to a healthy point here around the 618 level. But what we are seeing here is a great thing, and I'll show you guys exactly why. If you move this overall move, where are we headed? We have broken the 0.618 level. We are testing previous support. And we are heading down to this trend line and around this $36,000 level at the 0.786 level. These are what we need to be looking out for. So, Fibonacci, we need to watch for this 0.786 level at this $38,000 level. These are the three levels we need to keep our eyes on, okay? Now, the trend line is the weakest because we have not confirmed. Fibonacci level is the second weakest. And 36,000 is our strongest support if we do decide to break through this $40,000 level. That is very possible. However, if we move over to the crypto fear and greed index, it is extremely low right now. This means retail traders are selling. And we are about to see massive accumulation from the big money that has started accumulating here. They are not going to let it drop below this level. They do not want it coming back down to this break-even level. They have sold at the top to start this downward trend, to start scaring these retail investors off. And they are looking for mass accumulation in the coming days to weeks. These are the levels that we need to watch out for. And this is the emotional psychology of the market. This is what controls the market. At the end of the day, the price action is simply shadowing what the big money wants. The big money controls, the big money manipulates, and that is what we are here to do, is to follow the money. Have you heard that saying? It's a wonderful saying, and it is very true. If you follow the money, you will make money, and you will get out before the big money sells. That's what I'm here to do. I'm here to help all of you guys identify when the best times to get out are the best times to accumulate. And right now, we are nearing an amazing time to start accumulating. Now, we do want to see how this level reacts, but right now would be a beautiful time to average in 1/4 of your portfolio. 1/4. If you have $1,000, average in $250 right now. This is not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. These are my strategies that have taken me from working a 9-to-5 job to trading cryptocurrency for a living. Once you come down and we test this, it is a beautiful option to average in 1/4 of your portfolio, because if we drop lower, you still have that 75% to average in to get a lower price. However, if we move higher, then you have a lower break-even point so you can make more profits in the future. It's a beautiful thing, my friends. An absolutely beautiful thing. If you guys are wanting to learn more about my techniques, my strategies, what I use in order to make money in these markets, check out my course. I have been working hard on it, and I am going to grind. There are a few videos on it right now. However, in the coming weeks, I will be posting much more information, in-depth information in the course. So check that out if you really want to take your trading to the next level, become independent and confident looking at charts. And right now is a beautiful time to get this information, because in a big bullish uptrend like this, we are in a bullish market and we are nearing a trend line support before a rocket higher. Once Bitcoin rockets, every other coin in the market will do so as well. Hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of percent. And if you know these strategies, if you know these technical analysis techniques, you can profit like you are supposed to profit. All right, that's what we're looking at with Bitcoin. Let's get straight into Dogelon Mars. What you guys came for, let's do it. My beautiful friends, overall market, this is what we're looking at. All right, this is from nothing to something. We are still under $1 billion market cap, 753 million. That's a beautiful thing. That is a beautiful thing. Now, if you guys have been following the channel for a while, you would have remembered when we were down in the slumps in these 10 areas, and all I was saying was accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. We were here for around a week and a half, Accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. If you would have done that, especially those of you in the Patreon getting in at these very scrumptious prices, you would be up 30% right now in a dip with a crypto fear and greed index meter of 15. That you are sitting pretty. You have both paws up while you're eating treats right now. You are a labradoodle ready to get groomed. You are sitting pretty, my friends. You're a show dog right now. But moving forward, things can change very fast, and this is what we need to watch out for in the coming days to confirm that this 10 level of support was a healthy retracement, and we will be continuing to the upside. This is what we want to watch right now. Watch closely. This is very important. This is our Fibonacci level we're working with. Now, we had a healthy retracement to this 0.5 level, a nice bounce showing the natural movement of buyers stepping in to break through this previous not all-time high, but this previous high of this recent spike. Got it? The only thing that has changed the momentum of this coin is Bitcoin being down as well. It is mirroring Bitcoin right now. We have seen this over and over again, my friends. However, when Bitcoin decides to go up 10%, this coin will go up 50%. Accumulation now will be one of the smartest moves you decide to do in the future. Mark my words. All of you that got in around the 10 levels, you know what I'm talking about. But now is a very key moment, all right? Very key. This is a very healthy retracement to the 0.618 level. That is what we saw in the overall move. 0.618 down, touched the 0.618, showed major buying pressure within a week and a half. However, this one won't last that long. We should see some price action breaking down through the 0.618 towards the 0.786 Fibonacci within the next few days if it is going to happen. However, we are looking very nice right now, and any point of accumulation within these prices will be a major profitable move for you guys. So, to make this real simple, 1334, 1125, anywhere in between this will be a beautiful average point in if you are planning on holding for the next few months. Excuse my English. I am stuttered up. I am quite tired right now. It will be a beautiful point to begin averaging in if you have not already. If you have averaged in, consider averaging more. Because, my friends, we're heading to Mars. We are heading to Mars. The only reason this coin has started to show red is because Bitcoin has dropped. If Bitcoin decided to go up 5% right now, we will see so much buying pressure breaking these all-time highs. We won't even know what to do, okay? Volume has started to thicken up. It has been tapering off now because people are simply just scared right now. 15. Look. Extreme buying opportunity. Extreme buying opportunity. Extreme. Anyways, I think you guys get the point. All right? Excuse my Google. All right. I told you guys in the beginning of the video, we'll get into some lower time frames. Those were the daily candles. These are what we are looking at now. Only 4 hourly charts, 4 hourly candles. We have seen a little spike up, and I have not seen this before in a crypto chart because crypto is 24/7. This normally happens in after hours trading of the stock market, where the volume is very low and it starts at a higher price. So I've never seen that in crypto, but it is quite weird. You can see the volume tapering down here. So it looks like we might have had a glitch on the print there, but that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. We're coming down right now. Test the 0.618 level with this major red candle. This is a textbook play. We have seen 2 green candles, 1 red candle coming down. Now, if we close this red candle above this 13 level here. Whenever this next green candle comes up and breaks, this is day trading. All of you day traders that want to learn how to actually do this for a living, pay close attention. Once we come on these 4-hourly candles, this next candle, if it closes above this 13 in this next 4 hours, and the next candle pushes higher than this 1357, that is a point to average in. I repeat, that is a point to average in, especially if you are seeing volume on these lower 1-hourly candles, 1-hourly time frames. If we look at this volume, major volume stepping in, pushing down towards this previous support at the 13s, we are seeing buying pressure. Now, if it breaks through the 13s, we need to wait and wait for it to come back down to these 12s here. All right. Because if you look over here, the 12s are a previous resistance level, which is now support. And we need to watch that, because once we break through, if we decide to break through these 13s, this is our next level of support, these 12s, okay? However, price action is ever changing. If you want to make money, you have to play on the price action. And what I teach here is the ways to average in so you can mitigate your risk and make profits in almost every single trade if you follow what I am saying. If this comes down, closes above the 13, the next green candle on the 1-hourly charts now closes above these 13, pushes. It doesn't even have to close. It has to push and show, it has to signify that this here is not resistance. This is simply support now. If it breaks through these 1339 levels, thereabouts, the upper top of this previous red candle, if this next 1-hourly candle breaks through that, that is confirmation to add 1/4 bag into your portfolio. That is the smartest move, okay? Not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. These are my strategies. This is what have worked for me, and I am simply sharing my knowledge with all of you beautiful people that want to learn. And that's what truly makes me happy. My goal for this year, 2022, is to make 100 people $100,000 each by trading cryptocurrency. I want to help 100 people make over $100,000 this year trading cryptocurrency. And I'm very confident that I can do that. The charts are looking beautiful right now. We are indeed lining up to have a big parabolic move in the coming days. All of the indicators are lining up. Volume is starting to thicken. We have seen a little spike in consolidation, making a descending triangle before we move next higher. The crypto fear and greed index is in the 15s as Bitcoin decides to retrace back down to the $40,000 levels. Everything is happening how it is supposed to, and all we need to do is accumulate and hold. It's that simple. If you guys want to learn more of this stuff, for real, check out the course, because I will be posting much more information on everything in the coming weeks, on support, resistance, indicators. Right now I'm not using any indicators other than volume and like Fibonacci levels, but I will be sharing with you guys some simple indicators, things like RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, VWAP, which will help your trading and give you more of perspective in the overall markets on what the retail traders are thinking and what the big money is thinking. It's really just a ratio on those two. So check that out. Check out the Patreon if you want to get my real-time buy and sell alerts. And my friends, let me know in the comment section if you want other coins, if you want me to evaluate other coins, and even live trade. If you guys want me to live trade, I've been really thinking about that. But yeah, leave a comment on what other coins you guys want me to evaluate based on simple price action. I will tell you when the best times to get in, if it is spiking, when the best times to average out. Now, currently with Dogelon Mars, we have not seen a spike worth averaging out yet. Our next spike will be up to these 37 levels, okay? This is our goal. This is what's coming. These 37 levels. And once that happens, it will happen so fast, my friends. You will blink an eye. You'll get home from work, check your charts, and you'll see you're up 200%. Those of you who got in at the 10 levels, those of you in the Patreon who have been listening to my buy and sell alerts that aren't financial advice will be up 3.7x, my beautiful friends. So, let me know if you guys want evaluation on any other coins, and I will be willing to give it a thought because I like this coin. It is beautiful. However, I think there's a lot more money to be made, especially in this next bull run in the overall market. So let me know. Crypto billionaire! I will catch you guys in the next video. And all of you troopers that have stayed this long, email me. I want you to email me at mycryptomoves@gmail.com. I want you to email me. I want to keep in contact with you guys because you guys are troopers. 21 minutes and 30 seconds. You guys deserve to keep in contact with me because I want to help you as much as possible. And that's the only way I can if I have your contact information and we can have civil conversations back and forth. You have any questions, please ask me. I'd love to answer your questions. Crypto billionaire, have a beautiful night or morning, wherever you might be. Have a wonderful day at work. And remember, we have one life. So take advantage and live every single moment to the fullest. Because the only things people regret on their deathbed are the things they never did. Crypto billionaire, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.